is going on, guys? Sirhan here, and today I'm changing the oil on my Corvette, and while I'm at it I'm gonna show you guys the new Z06 rear fenders that I put in this car. So let's go out and take a look. I got the wheel cribs in the back, 8-inch and 8-inch ramps on the front. Fits with no issues, even with that ZR1 splitter. So before I go and start changing the oil, there's the new Z06 fenders. Man, that really changes the look of the car. Sweet. Alright, let's change the oil. There we go. Okay, so while I'm waiting for the oil to drain, let's take a closer look at these Z06 fenders. So if you watched my last video, you know these are from ACI. So I just installed these. Now, I've kept the stock C6 wheel liner, and here you can see the difference. Z06 fender with the stock C6 base wheel liner. I don't know, I just felt like, you know, why change it just for this 1.5 inch difference? So I kept that on. Perfect. No problems. All I need is a splash guard. I'll get that later, but everything bolted perfectly. The holes aligned exactly where they're supposed to be. It was a perfect fit. I was actually surprised how well it fit. And I got new Z06 wheels with some meaty 345/30/19 tires. Michelin Pilot Super Sports. These tires are huge, look at that. Holy shit. Okay, so for the front wheels, I got the stock Z06 rims. These are powder coated black. Now the only way you can fit a stock Z06 wheels on a non-wide body C6 Corvette is by using a stock tire that came with a C6. So stock size for a C6 Corvette, 245/40/18. So I put that on a stock Z06 wheel, and it fits perfectly. No rubbing issues. Alright, let's check on this oil. I don't know what it is about these C6 Corvettes. It takes forever to drain. Usually when you remove the plug, it just like shoots out. On this one, it was just dribbling out from the beginning.
You can now get 0% for 60 months.
For limited time, get free gift with bonus data. Conditions apply. Head to a Virgin Mobile store or Virgin. Then welcome to the 7-pound 6-ounce game changer. It's the curved stick.
Okay, so I finished the oil change on my Corvette, and then I gave it a quick wash. And I actually changed the oil on my Charger SRT8 as well as my Jeep SRT8 on the same day. So feeling quite tired from changing oil on 3 vehicles. Okay, so let's go take a look at the Corvette so I can show you these Z06 fenders in the daylight, because they look pretty sweet. There they are. Get a shot from the back. Yes, I realized it's a little unfinished. I still got the splash guard to do, but I just want to make a comment about these ACI fenders. The fitment was perfect. It was basically paint and installed. Didn't have to modify it anyway. It aligned perfectly. Everything lined up exactly where it's supposed to be. All the holes were exactly where they should be. Like no modification whatsoever. Just paint, install, and wow. Really changes the look of the car. Look at that. There we go. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with that. Okay. So today what I'm going to do, there's a cold air intake system that I need to install, but today I'm going to install this one, steering wheel cover. so that's it. Those Z06 quarter panels sure do make a huge difference on that car. Completely changes the look of the car. I absolutely love it. Very happy with the quality. Big shout out to ACI. They've been great to deal with. Great product. Very happy with it. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, again, my name is Sirhan. I hope you can subscribe. Really appreciate it. And I'll have some more videos of my Corvette and my other cars in the near future. And I will catch you guys next time. Okay, thanks guys. Okay, bye.